Yeah, what are you gonna do? We're taping.
Can you, hey, go sing a song. Sing a song for Daddy. That's cute to record.
Yeah. Sing me a song. I'm making a video right now. Sing a song or I'm not gonna make the video.
Sing a song. Sing 5 Little Ducks. Okay.
5 little ducks ran out one day over the hill and far away. Mom and Dad said clack, 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 and all 5 little ducks came waddling back.
What else? Keep going.
Oh, one little duck, 2 little ducks ran out one day over the hill and far away. One duck cried, quack, 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 quack. And all 5 little ducks came waddling back.
Maybe you could sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat.
Can we hear row, row, row your boat?
Yeah,
Look at the camera.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Mary, Mary, right before the tree. If you see a crocodile, don't forget
To scream!